HG602 installation methods. Method 1. Direct pipeline installation. 1. Drill a hole in the pipe and weld a threaded base, G1/2. 2. Install the HG602 directly onto the pipeline. 3. Make sure the sensing tip is placed inside the pipeline, and keep the base low to avoid affecting the measurement. This method is suitable for pressurized pipelines that require real-time dew point monitoring. Advantage: airtight and leak-free. Disadvantage: difficult to maintain, and more affected by pressure. It is best used when the internal pressure is relatively stable. Method 2. Installation with a sampling chamber and ball valve. Used with a gas sampling chamber and a ball valve. 1. Install a ball valve on the pipe, and connect a gas sampling chamber above it. 2. Insert the HG602 into the chamber. 3. Slightly open the valve, gas will flow into the chamber and exit from the outlet. This setup doesn't require high flow. In fact, too much gas flow may affect dew point accuracy due to pressure disturbance. Keep the flow rate between 1 and 5 liters per minute. Advantage: easy to maintain, just close the ball valve and remove the sensor directly. Method 3. Installation with flexible tubing. Use with a gas sampling chamber and flexible tubing. 1. Connect the inlet tubing to the gas sampling chamber. 2. Insert the HG602 sensor into the chamber. 3. Introduce gas through the tubing. It will enter the chamber and exit through the outlet. This method is suitable for atmospheric pressure dew point measurement. It is easy to operate and commonly used for temporary measurements or product testing. After the test, the device can be easily removed and taken away. That concludes the 3 installation methods for the HG602. Thank you for watching.